Hi there. If you run this video in full screen mode, you'll probably see more and get more out of it. I'm now going to briefly demonstrate three significant features and functions of the invisibility system. That is, the three main reasons that people subscribe to invisibility. For the demonstration, I'm using some data from a fictional company, Jake's Cakes, a custom cake making bakery. I'm in the settings screen right now, and I want to show you that Jake's Cakes has defined the singular and the plural of what they're tracking to be cake and cakes. Invisibility allows you to define and use up to 3 user-defined fields. These fields are searchable in reports and they're output from the program. Note that Jake's Cakes has decided to use 2 of these fields, one indicating their internal work order number and the other the surname of the customer for each cake order that they're tracking. Here on the checkpoint screen, you'll see the 10 checkpoints that Jake's Cakes has defined. Invisibility allows an unlimited number of checkpoints that you name yourself. Let's find an active order that's located somewhere in the bakery. I'm now in the Cakes screen. Recall that the name of this screen was defined in the settings. Mr. Harper is on the phone. He's wondering when his cake will be ready, so I go to the search box and enter in part or all of his name, and it searches and finds his record. Digging into the history of this cake, we see every checkpoint that it's been through and where it's currently located in reverse chronological order. That's how you find whatever you're tracking. Mr. Harper has told us he needs his cake to be ready for pickup tomorrow at 5 p.m. So let's set an alarm on his order. That way we'll know that if it'll be ready for pickup at 5 tomorrow, Mr. Harper's cake needs to be in the shipping department an hour before that, at 4 p.m. So let's set an alarm for that date and time. We want it to be into the shipping department tomorrow at 4 p.m. Based on the way that we've set up invisibility, if that cake order doesn't get to shipping by 4 tomorrow, 2 things will happen. First, it'll show up here on the overdues screen. Notice that there are a few other orders that are currently overdue, with some details about each one of those. Second, if it goes overdue, you'll have received an automatic email telling you that you've missed an indicated milestone. That's how you set up alarms and milestones. Finally, let's go to the viewpoint screen. That's where we can get a bird's eye view of what's happening on our shop floor. Note that we've currently got 12 cake orders going through our bakery and that they're currently spread out across 6 different checkpoints. Each checkpoint row tells me how many orders are currently within it, and the average time they've been there, and the percentage of the overall workload that's in each checkpoint. I can open up any particular checkpoint and learn of all of the details of cakes, in this particular case, that are currently staged in that checkpoint, and of course if there are any alarms that have exceeded overdue times that are in any of those checkpoints. That's the viewpoint screen. There are many more features and functions of invisibility, and I hope that we'll be able to show them to you sometime. Thanks for watching.